Welcome to the Datagrids Option Containers tutorial. Option containers provide the capability to create drill-down options and global list selections for single and multiple choice questions. In this guide, we'll cover the creation and management of option containers. To access option containers, hover over Customize and select Option Containers. On the left-hand side, you'll find the option container hierarchy displaying the current status of your option containers, while on the right side, you manage the content of your option containers. Clicking the little black triangle to the left of the list items will expand or collapse that section. The option container interface is also used for creating lists for your cards, allowing you to assign the card properties to your list items. You can create a drill-down interface by nesting option containers. For example, in the Locations container, we have two nested containers, Exterior and Interior. Exterior contains 43 items, while Interior contains 54, as indicated by the number in brackets to the right. Clicking on either one displays the items contained within that option container. There is an up and down arrow on the left-hand side that allows you to reorganize the list. The checkbox activates the green Disable and Delete buttons at the bottom right. The text area allows you to change the label of this item. The green buttons at the far right of each line allow you to duplicate this option, create one above or below, move the item to the top or bottom, or disable it. You have two options for creating new items for this list: the New button at the upper right or the green buttons below, which are New and New Bulk. The New button creates only one item, whereas New Bulk allows you to copy and paste a list into a dialog box, with each new line creating a new item. Managing this list in this centralized area means that any number of questions that use these results will be automatically updated with any edits you make. Right-clicking on any item in the option container hierarchy allows you to create a nested option container, rename that container, create an option container before or after that item, duplicate this option container, or delete it. As you make changes and build this list, the card's interface will reflect these changes. Once you finish making your changes, the green push button on the upper right side allows you to push your change list to your mobile devices. Thank you for reviewing Datagrids Option Containers tutorial. You will find related tutorial links in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrids' powerful features.